Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul and today we'll be looking at Naruto Set 1 on Blu-ray. I know I'm a little late to the party, I'm sorry about that, but it's here now and we can go through it. So here's the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slipcover off, you get a little more of the same. And then you open it up and you get disc 1 with episodes 1 through 7, disc 2 with episodes 8 through 14, disc 3 with 15 through 21, and disc 4 with episodes 22 through 27. And on the back is like a ninja star background. That's all that they have. So this has been Naruto Set 1 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.